Do you know Kumilla? Yes, Kumilla like a brand. And do you know Rashmalai? Yes, Kumilla famous for Rashmalai. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm over the moon. This is Tanbir Ahmed. Today I'm going to talk about my city. My city is Kumilla. Do you know Kumilla? Yes, Kumilla like a brand. And do you know Rashmalai? Yes, Kumilla famous for Rashmalai. And people from other division or district, even other countries people come to eat Rashmalai. This is the best opportunity for not only our. I think this is the best pride of our Bangladesh. That's why I can say it's a best opportunity of our Bangladesh. And Kumilla situated between Chattogram and Dhaka. And also Kumilla is a part of Chattogram division. Kumilla has a good and strong education level. Like Kumilla has a university, national university, and more school, college, and madrasa, advanced level, qualityful. And as a result, from Kumilla, more and more students they get good result and great result from Kumilla. That's why it's a pride of our. And also Kumilla has travel spot like Dharmasagar Park and Rupsagar Park and Shalbon Bihar and available travel spot. And also Kumilla is the oldest and historical city. That's why it's an important part of Bangladesh. And our Kumilla, all peoples, they're very friendly and smart, and they always try to be happy. And our Kumilla all side they ahead from others division. That's why I can say Kumilla deserve a division, but sadly Kumilla doesn't have a division. Inshallah, we hope Kumilla will be a division in future, and this name will be Kumilla. That's why I hope inshallah one day Kumilla will be a division and this name will be Kumilla. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.